guys, welcome back to Wild Willie's Book Reviews. Today I'm reviewing Naughty Book with a Gingerbread House. And it's not even a gingerbread house, it's an Oreo house. So I just made this and I'm decorating. I've done a gingerbread house before, so I thought I would do another one. This is a mini Christmas one. So as you can see, it's a little smaller. I would say this is for like a younger kid. It just says on the box ages 3+. But it was really fun to build, and there's all the decorating. There's these little candies, and there's also Oreos that you can put on. So I rate this about an 8 out of 10 because it is a little bit smaller than normal, but it's really fun to build. And yeah, bye. Hi guys, welcome back to Wild Willie's book reviews. I'm just finishing up decorating the Oreo mini house. So I have a driveway with all the patches of snow left over, and I have a snowman in the front yard. So I rate this a 8 out of 10 because it was small, but then after I built it, it's a 10 out of 10 except for that just little thing. But yeah, it's really fun to build, and yeah, bye guys.